morning from day 3 of school. Decided to ride my bike, and at least the views are really beautiful, even if the exercise is a little tough. I'm almost to downtown. Got another like 25 minutes. Keep going. At least I got a good news on my way down the path. But really beautiful morning. Day 4 of school. It's 6:12 a.m. Waiting for the bus, get to the train, and it's raining. Last night was crazy. It was like pounding rain, thunder, and lightning. Kind of sounds like current politics. Hopefully, the weather changes. Have a good day, you guys. Getting off the train, headed to class. It's a rainy day. Is the darkness? Hey, it's windy too. Ours to take. Bathe the lightning. Bathe the breeze. Got this. The rain finally went away. Oh, it's a lot nicer out today. I head to the train to head back to my place. Really nice day. Day 6 of class. Getting ready to get on the bus so I can get to the train to get to downtown Chicago. Oh, look a little puffy, but hopefully that'll go down. Hope everyone's having a good morning. I look busted, I realize. There we go. Hello, just finished an interview. Not like this, I had a tie on, looked a little bit nicer. But I came to the place called the Mart, which apparently you can get onto the train from here, which is cool. Purple line and brown line in Chicago. And they have a bunch of food, little food court up here, really nice. Barbecue, poke, donuts. It's like a FedEx. So a lot of cool stuff here. The coolest thing, you can just get on and off the train right here, so it's perfect.